Hello friends! Right, so today's video is all about tank pads or tank grips. Okay, so why am I making this video? Right, if you're seen my short video or you follow me on Instagram, you see that I messed up, right? The previous tank pad, because it was foam based and it was a nightmare to clean it up. It took us about 1 hour. It was at my uncle's car wash. Yeah, he has his worker to help me out. It was a pain in the ass to remove. I had a spare one that I wanted to, use it. My plan initially was to polish the tank and then wrap it up, because the paint on this tank is actually very soft. I don't want scratches on my bike. I am that OCD. I am that overprotective. When we were about to remove the tank pad, it was oof. We look at it, we were like, oh man, this is a mess. So that's what I've learned, the hard way. But it's a part of a journey, right? You love motorcycles, this is what you're gonna encounter. So I was thinking, why not I make my own tank pad and tank grips together? Because the other day I went for grocery shopping, and then there's a section of like hardware stuff, and I saw this material. It is quite expensive I don't know what material is it called, but I think it's suitable for a tank pad. So yes, let's go. Right, so before installing the tank pads and the tank grips, I'm gonna be doing some basic wash first, just to get rid of all the oils, and then only can the sticker be stick there properly without having any like sticking issues, right? So let's go. So now the tank part is squeaky clean, and I'm gonna just let it air dry a bit for about 5 minutes, and then we can start to stick on our tank grips. Right, so the tank grips, it looks very beautiful to me. It matches the bike, and also it feels good by just sitting on a bike and have a feel of it. It feels fine, it feels good. But the tank pads is a bit, I don't want to say it's ugly, but it's a bit lazy and boring. So let me make it up to you. Wait, let me show you what I mean first. As you can see, it's just rectangular. So yeah, I really don't like it that much. I am gonna redesign this and I will come back to you. Alright, it's been about 5 hours now, but it's done. It's done, and I think this look is it's gonna rock. It's gonna look damn good. And also I did marking at the middle, so it's for me to align it easier. Yeah, on the tank too. So let's go. Right, so I think you will agree with me, this is much better looking than just now what I did, right? The rectangular, not so nice, but this really makes me, yeah, it feels satisfying. And you know what, it's worth it, 7 hours in total, you know, to design everything. And yeah, I'm super happy about this, how it looks right now, but how it feels, I am not too sure just yet, because yeah, it's just installed. So let me go for a ride, and I think I'll see you all in another video, and I'll let you know how it feels. Right, if you like this video or you love what I do, you're welcome to give it a like. Press the like button, subscribe to this channel. We're almost there. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I think it's about 850 plus. We are close. We are very close. If you like what I'm doing, do consider a subscribe. Let me know what you think of this tank grip and tank pad combo. Yeah, let me know what you think. You love it, you hate it, you don't like the design, you think this material is not good, but it's rubbery. It's actually rubbery. But it's like a hardened rubber. So yeah, I think it will work just fine, because the tank paint, the paint on the tank is just a bit too soft. I don't want to scratch the tank, so I actually wrapped it with vinyl wrap. I mean, I wrapped the tank already. So yes, another layer of protection. And also for the looks, I love it. What do you all think? Let me know down in the comment section below. Let everyone know. I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, comment, and follow my Instagram, which is here. See y'all. Bye bye. Ciao.